डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैनाल्स को लाना है विथ विच द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वाटर कैन हैपन थ्रू ग्रेविटी. आर वी गोइंग टू स्टॉप दिस? आर वी गोइंग टू पुट दिस ऑन होल्ड? What are we going to do? I would like to ask Honorable Minister, my learned friend, you're talking about bringing waters to Musi also, rejuvenating Musi. फिर आप बताइए ये पानी कहां से लाने वाले हैं सर?
Sir, my learned friend and good friend of mine, OIC Saab, has asked a pertinent question. Sir, we are waiting for a report from the Dam Safety Authority. And after the report comes, we will take their suggestions and try to move on. Because we are not, we take opinion suggestions from the technical guys, unlike the last government, which on their own discretion, they have constructed this project and what had happened after the project has been constructed. So we are waiting for the Dam Safety Authority report. After the professionals give the report, our officers and our government will act on it and see how best we can try to, put in the resources what we have spent in terms of rupees, 1 lakh crore rupees. So we will try to see, because we have left it for the Dam Safety Authority, which is a national Parliament Statute Act which has come into being, and they have to give us the final recommendation. On that we will go ahead.
Speaker sir, I thank, through you sir, I thank the Honorable Minister Sridhar Babu Saab for replying to my very important question sir, and I'm happy that he replied it. Sir, going further ahead sir, there are also some, I would like to just end, sir, thank the Sridhar Babu for giving me this reply, but I was hearing these were the sentences of the Irrigation Minister Saab, saying that project is useless, unviable, and not a single acre is irrigated through its waters. अब ये मिनिस्टर साहब एक जवाब दे रहे, शुक्रिया साहब आपका, वो मिनिस्टर साहब जब उनका वक्त था तो ये बोले. खैर ये वैसी है सर, जैसा बुक में एक रहता है बोलते हैं एक है, तो अब कोई बात नहीं सर.